Hi there, I'm Carol Beebe, and this is my review of Affinity. What is Affinity about? Affinity generates free traffic on total autopilot by leveraging other people's work using the inbuilt community system. It's an all-in-one traffic app that works in any niche. It comes with specific training on how and where to use the software to generate results. We even show how to use it to generate money with NFTs. Affinity is an all-in-one automated traffic generator app. It encourages droves of traffic by leveraging likability from yours and other people's work. Where and how can this happen? And where is the platform that enables such a practice? It's Pinterest. As you know, or if you don't know, Pinterest is the largest visual social network of its kind. Pinterest is a social network community that allows users to visually share and discover new interests. Just to let you know that you can at any time hit the link below this video and you will not only get purchase access to Affinity, but you'll be taken to my page where laid out for you is a full explanation of Affinity, the product, its pricing, structure, and the great bonuses attached to this product. Also, on my page, you can watch a demo video where the vendors give you a really in-depth explanation of how the product works. You can hit the link below this video at any time during this review. If not, stick with me because I'll be telling you about the extra bonuses you will get from my page and to whom they are most suited. A full explanation of the price instruction and what you'll be getting for your buck. Okay, let's have a look at the sales video and what the vendors say about their product. After we've watched this short video, I'll be walking you through with all the things that I've just mentioned. Okay, here goes.
Are you an affiliate marketer, online store owner, video creator, or anyone else trying to make money online? If so, how's it going for you? If you're not getting the kind of traffic and income you want, then listen up, because this video is for you. You already know that getting traffic is hard. Most people try to do it by posting on social media or building a list. Some even spend their hard-earned cash on ads. I'm not saying that these methods are bad, but the problem is that they take time. If you're happy to wait 2 to 3 years before you start seeing results, then this page is not for you. If you'd like to start earning much faster, then listen up. I want to share an automation tool that works with one of the most vibrant social networks there is. Pinterest. It's a proven and tested method that's generating real results, even for newbies. We call it Affinity, and here's how it works. We have built a community of Pinterest enthusiasts who share each other's videos and post on their own Pinterest boards. When they do, they receive credits, which is an incentive to comment, like, and share posts even more. This sends a strong signal to Pinterest that the posts are popular, which then boosts the post even more. The software also comes with image and video editors to make sure that your pins are stunning, which also makes them very shareable. We've included an extensive video course teaching how to earn money with Pinterest, grow your Pinterest following, and go viral on Pinterest. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your e-commerce site, drive traffic to non-fungible token offers, and much more. Pinterest is the social platform for e-commerce store owners, affiliate marketers, video creators, and anyone who wants to make money online. And Affinity is the tool to make sure that it works for you, starting today. But you must hurry. Affinity is available for a one-time cost only for the duration of this launch. The price is going up with every sale. And so if you navigate away now and come back later, you will pay more. So don't hesitate. Click the Buy Now button below and we'll see you on the inside.
Thank you for staying with me. By clicking on the link below this video, you will be brought to a page which looks like this. On this page is set out for you a summary of the key points of Affinity, the product, a focus on the pricing structure, which I'll be going through with you shortly, and I'll sum up with the key points of the product. Just to let you know that you can purchase Affinity at any time by hitting these big yellow link pads. You'll be taken straight to the payment page. Remember that some elements within the pricing structure and for the bonuses are time sensitive. So I would advise you to secure your copy at the lower price and get all the bonuses on offer. If you're interested in acquiring this product, Affinity, get it now, as the vendors are offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is unusual for this type of product. And you can always ask for a refund if you find it isn't a fit for you. But why wouldn't it be? Because any bona fide marketer always wants seriously dedicated traffic sources, targeted specifically to your niche market. This product, to me, offers just that. Okay, let's talk about the bonuses. These bonuses are not listed or set out in order of importance because I feel that their importance will be ranked by you according to how they fill the gaps in your knowledge, skills, or experience. What I do know, however, is that they are super tools and hacks in vital areas of marketing, in particular, if you are a new marketer. These will help you build a very solid base from which your business can grow. So the first one is Enigma. Enigma is a piece of software that enables a viral Facebook hack so that you can get a stream of followers which you can ultimately convert into clients. This Enigma tutorial shows you how to safely do just that so you can build a buyer's list. Number 2 is Lockdown Formula. This is currently the most popular and easy to use funnel creator system on the market. Easy to use and quick to execute. If you want to be the independent, hands-on, and in control of your business type of marketer, then this is the product for you. If you don't know what a funnel is, then this is the product for you. Number 3 is Content Curation Hack. This hack helps you to source focused content, your blogs easily. Number 4 is Get Gemini. This is the money is in the list. You'll often hear that the money is in the list. This particular tutorial is a practical, hands-on kind of setup, setting out the necessary components required to build your list, like autoresponders, squeeze pages, and an email toolkit. The vendor also has a package, a pretty special bonus package actually, but it is only accessible when you purchase and you are inside the members area. Now let's go to pricing. So the pricing structure for Affinity starts with a front-end access cost of $17. When you buy at this level, you access Affinity's software and the supportive training to drive the software to generate results in free, let's not forget, traffic generation, the lifeblood of your business. A little aside, they even show you how to use the software to generate money with NFTs if you're interested in the crypto market, etc. A buy-in at $17 to access all of this and the bonuses is a bargain, I feel. And who doesn't like a bargain? Upgrade number 1 is unlimited everything. With this upgrade, you'll be able to even unlock more traffic. That's at $47. Upgrade number 2 is done with you. The vendors holds a weekly mastermind to field any questions you may have and to teach any new and emerging techniques that may be occurring. I like that involvement with the vendors. They're taking care of you. As so often, once you've bought a product, all the figuring out you have to do alone. That's at $97. Grade number 3 gives you helps you with unlimited traffic. So you're not going to have a business if you're talking to yourself. When you invest at this level, you are pinning, excuse the pun, the vendor's highly targeted traffic, which of course unlocks more profit opportunity. As their client, you get direct access to their audience by placing a pixel on their sales pages for the next 365 days. It's a helpful vitamin shot for your business. That's at $197. Grade number 4 is reseller rights, and that's $197. This is the opportunity to sell the product as though it was your own. Remember that this type of app is new, using Pinterest as a premium marketing tool with its millions forming this huge community is a relatively untapped source in this way from a marketing capturing leads perspective. Buying reseller rights means that you will own the whole funnel, pocketing 100% of the commissions. Usually at this stage in the review, I would be showing you the product that is Affinity from an inside perspective. But I think the vendor's explanation and demonstration of the product is pretty in-depth and gives a better overview than I could have. You can find that video here on this page. There we go. This demo video here. You should watch it. I would encourage you definitely to watch it at your leisure. So Affinity is a brand new automated piece of software able to drive your niche targeted prospects of free traffic to you. This newbie-friendly technology is the first of its kind. The in-depth tutorials backed by access to the vendors during a weekly mastermind class gives you the assurance that you can make this product work for you. Affinity is unique in its ability to siphon targeted prospects in the Pinterest community and certainly provides a fresh and free traffic stream of prospects with its visual dynamic way of capture. The vendors have a 30-day money-back guarantee. There are special deals to be had during this launch, i.e. commercial and reseller rights, which may not always be available, along with some early bird bonuses. So bear that in mind. The 30-day money back guarantee gives you the protection if you find it's not a good fit. Finally, this is my own honest opinion as to the attributes of Affinity. I hope you find it helpful. And just so you know, I will always put before you products that I feel will bring value and solutions to your business and life opportunities. But as always, Effort is always required to succeed. Know that I am truly and equally committed to both yours as well as my success. So, to our success, and until next time, sincerely yours, Carol Beebe.